June 14, 2022, two officers from the Vermont Police Department went to arrest Brandon Tolman, who was wanted for violent assault. Just as the officers were about to take Brandon away, his mother suddenly rushed in to protect her son. Meanwhile, his father, Wayne Tolman, climbed onto his excavator, ready to rescue his son. Luckily, old Wayne's fierce love for his son didn't cloud his judgment. He knew that while the excavator was powerful, it couldn't stop bullets. So he got off before the officers fired and surrendered. Afterwards, all three Tolmans were arrested together. They were charged with multiple felonies, including assaulting officers and resisting arrest, and received prison sentences ranging from 1 to 4 years.